Hi, I am Muhammad Umar and you are watching Shine with Science. Today I will talk about the theories given by Aristotle, and you like it, please press that subscribe button. This will motivate me to make more interesting videos. So let's start. Aristotle's theories. Aristotle was one of the most influential humans who ever lived. Much of Aristotle's philosophy is related to his four causes. 1. The matter cause, which makes up all material, including living organisms. 2. The form cause of species, types, and kinds of things. 3. The efficient cause of motion and change. 4. The final cause of development or the final goal of an intended activity, maturity. Let's see the theories. The first one is Aristotle's topological species theories. An ideal form is a living group in which each member resembles each other, but the group is distinct in structure from members of other groups. His concept can further be stated as each living thing has a natural built-in pattern that, through reproduction, growth, and development, leads to an individual type, species, similar to its parents. Second one is Aristotle's theory of spontaneous generation. Flies and glowworms are generated from rotting fruit and manure. He based this theory on observations, not experimentation. Third one is Aristotle's theory of taxonomy, classification of living things. Nature proceeds from tiny lifeless forms to larger animal life, so it is impossible to determine the exact line of demarcation. Reproduction identifies those giving live birth, viviparous, as being mammals and humans, whereas those laying eggs, oviparous, are subdivided into birds and reptiles, and fish and insects. Aristotle developed an elaborate classification system of nature later called Aristotle's ladder of nature. Aristotle expressed his theory in a graphic structure called scala naturae or chain of being, better known as Aristotle's ladder of nature. Fourth one is that Aristotle's three classes of living things. 1. Vegetable, which possessed a nutritive soul. 2. Animals, who were able to move and thus had a sensitive soul. And 3. Humans who had intelligence and thus a rational soul, and who also possessed souls of all the types of creatures. Fifth number is Aristotle's concept of reproduction. An invisible seed of the most rudimentary structure was imparted by the male to join a female egg to produce an offspring of the same species. Sixth one is Aristotle's concept of infinity. Because the universe is spherical and has a center, it cannot be infinite. An infinite thing cannot have a center, and the universe does have a center, Earth. Therefore, infinity does not exist. Seventh one is Aristotle's theory of the matter and the aether. Because all celestial bodies move in perfect circles, there must be a perfect medium for this to occur. This perfect medium that enables circular motion is known as the aether, which also has circular motion. The last one is the most popular, Aristotle's laws of motion, which does not need to elaborate.